Bandra mornings have their own mood. Soft breeze, quiet lanes, old homes, waking up with the day.
Every corner here tells a story. Bandra may seem fast-paced, but at heart beats slow and warm.
And today we are exploring the Bandra that lives close to Eddies.
So stay with us because our day is just getting started.
Welcome to Bandra Diaries.
And what is Bandra without a little bit of sweetness? Our first stop here is at Annapurna. This place has been winning hearts ever since.
If there's one thing Annapurna is famous for, it's freshness. It's jalebis, laddus, rasgullas. Everything you taste here feels like it's come straight from home. Quality is their hallmark. Customer satisfaction, their motto. What's the fastest selling item here?
We got many new items
All
such
right.
as the season specialties, the green peas gogras. We
Oh.
have the Jaipuri kanda kachoris.
And what sells the most? What is
It's
like the
the specialty.
customer favorite?
And the specialty is the cheese palak
Oh,
samosas.
wow.
Okay.
They're totally with the pure Amul cheese and spinach.
Okay.
And many options like in doklas, khandvis.
So you keep replenishing these throughout the day.
So yeah, we have our own kitchen. So we are
Oh.
here since last 44 years. We are right now the fourth generation
Wow.
trying our best.
So you all must be knowing everything about mithai and food stuff.
Oh yeah. Right now the season specialty is of the gajar halwa.
Oh, you
wow.
have fresh
Yeah.
gajar
Yeah.
halwa.
Yeah.
So the main thing inside this that we have never added sugar. Pure organic good. That's
Okay.
from the jaggery and purely desi ghee.
I mean, it's just good. So it's
Yeah,
really
it's not
nice.
even sugar.
And no sugar.
Yes,
That's
no
the
sugar
wow.
and no mawa, no khowa. It's made in pure Amul milk.
Oh.
So basically, if you're traveling, also you keep it for 4 days outside.
Oh, okay.
no
It
issues.
doesn't get spoiled.
Otherwise, if you are traveling, that mawa khowa gets dry. So it will be like a biscuit you're having.
Biscuit, yeah.
That's too much. Half. एक का ना आधा कर दीजिए.
Definitely you like it. You will ask for more. So please.
Thank you.
Yum.
We have started the fresh dudhi halwas also. Then we have the winter special. That all is the Gujarati stuff. Aradhya Pak, Gunda Pak. That are the proper traditional sweets of we Gujaratis. Dada used to make all the sweets.
Oh,
Then
so
my
બધું
father
fresh
started-
રોજ બને છે.
Every day, every day. Morning it was made, then again 12 o'clock it was made.
So it sells out so fast.
So it's baking according to the customers only.
Wow. Enjoying this. Yummy.
खत्म कर दिया.
I told you.
Thank you so
What
much.
else is there?
Nothing.
No, thank you so much.
We have a fresh doklas coming.
No,
in.
no,
Jalebis.
nothing. I'm going to try this.
Which one?
The Shankar Para.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I want to try that.
Shakkar bara.
Yeah. No maida in
Since
this.
childhood we are having like sugar and maida, but it doesn't contain sugar. This contains glucose and totally made in milk.
Oh, okay.
The atta we make it, it is with whole wheat
Okay.
and not maida. So if you're traveling also minimum like you keep it for 30-35 days,
Oh, wow.
it won't get stale.
I like this. This is very tasty. And it's not sweet, it's just right.
We have many items in doklas.
Yes.
We have farfans like the bhajiyas we have. A khandvi is very special. If you go any other shops, you will have the blend khandvis. We have the chutney khandvis. Right now my grandfather is totally like, he's a sugar patient.
Okay.
But he's 84 right now. 85, sorry.
Oh, wow.
So on his birthday only we have back here. After
Okay.
like 6 years we just shifted because of the redevelopment.
Redevelopment, yeah.
So when he entered also, so he was like, keep fresh. Matlab, there are many items left over in the night. With some fresh items like samosas, vadas. But if you come after 8:39, there will be a proper queue for the ballet peoples and all the different
Everyone
bakers
to
How
give
and
it
nice.
away. That's the best
small
thing.
food packets.
That's so
Okay,
nice.
that's so
So
good.
if
That's
you-
so
if
kind.
you guys are two coming there, I'll give according to you guys.
Okay.
There are many people coming according to in a group, so we'll give according in the group.
Oh, nice.
It doesn't get waste.
Yes, it
After all,
shouldn't,
it's the
yeah.
food.
The place may not be fancy. It doesn't need to be. But the flavor and hospitality speaks for itself.
And yes, we are totally sugar charged for the rest of the day.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
See you.
you.
Bye. Bye, Roshni.
Welcome to Eddie's. Hi. Is this your first time here?
No, we're actually here a lot.
A lot. Okay, and how do you like it?
We love it.
Okay, now let's have some fun.
I'm stressed.
Read the question out loud first.
What's the weirdest thing that's ever turned me on? My principal shouting at me.
Okay. Seriously?
Yeah?
Your own
Now
car.
you pick up your card and answer.
Would you rather kiss the person to your left or to the right of you? Right, just because I know her for a long time.
That's awkward.
Imagine kissing with the person who's interviewing you.
Yeah, imagine doing that.
Okay, fine. We'll answer.
Hey, that's so fun.
What is your biggest embarrassing moment in bed?
I don't know.
I've never had an embarrassing moment in bed. It's always fun.
Oh, that's good.
Spill out your best sex story with details. If you are a virgin, ask someone to spill theirs.
I'm a virgin with 2 kids.
Okay.
We'll ask you one question and all 3 answer. One.
Okay. Live in a marriage.
Live in.
Why?
Marriage is like
Too much responsibility.
too much responsibility and like it doesn't seem very fun. Like maybe I'm wrong. It doesn't seem fun.
In today's age, it doesn't.
Yeah, it doesn't.
I think I would also pick live-in because I can't imagine that kind of a responsibility right now.
Is it now or is it later also?
No, actually right now.
Right now.
Yeah, I think right now living for me also. I just feel like it's just paperwork at the end of the day. Like if you don't have that paperwork, it's the same thing.
Have you ever loved 2 people at one time?
Maybe.
Maybe. What's your take on men calling women gold diggers?
I don't think any woman is good.
Yeah, if anything, I know a lot of men who are gold diggers.
What like what money are these men talking about?
Yeah.
You work a 9 to 5 job, relax.
Yeah, the men who are calling women gold diggers are the men with the least gold to offer.
Exactly.
With the least gold to offer. Men who actually are secure would not be saying that.
Absolutely.
Okay, now on a very serious thing, you guys know what's happening with the dogs, stray dogs and everything.
Yeah.
So what's your take on that?
I mean, I'm happy to see that the Supreme Court made a faster judgment that
So many people have rallied for like things to improve, and I'm glad that like this is one of those instances where it seems like there is hope that like maybe that the stray dogs, will be saved and have a better future. So I hope that happens. But we all love dogs.
yeah, we love
We
dogs.
love dogs also. Yeah.
Okay, thanks guys. Have a nice
so much.
As we wrap up this episode, remember,
Behind the glamour lies the warmth of a community that never stops shining.